Hello everybody, welcome back. Today I'll be going through a tutorial on how to achieve true white in Corsair Icue. So, as some of you may know, by selecting white in Corsair, some of your RGB components in your PC will have a slight blue tint to them. For example, the bottom 3 SP fans that I have, and the 3 LO120s at the back of the case. They both have slight tints of blue, although this is indeed white. This is just how Corsair Icue works by itself, so today I'm going to be showing to you how to achieve real white in your PC. So let me take off the scene. Lighting effects. This is the colour that you want to go to, and then right here you can see this is all white, what you select in the middle. It's for the RAM, sorry. Here we go, for the fans, it's a lot easier to show. If we go colour, and then this custom colour that I have, this is the RGB and the hex code. This will be down in the description for you guys to copy and paste into your software. And as you can see, the blue tint is gone from the fans, so by comparison that is white, that Corsair thinks is white, and this is true white, so very big difference, especially in real life. I'm not sure if the camera captures it in a different way, but the difference is, in my opinion, a lot. And we can clearly see that also with the SP fans, so if I go over to my controller here, and I change it to the true white, then if you focus on the bottom 3 fans right now, there, you can clearly see that blue tint is gone. There's the blue, there's about the blue. So now when you're going through your next white profile, this is what I recommend doing, because it makes a really big difference from making your PC look like it's ever so slightly blue, which it's not really what you want. This makes sure that it's very, very white and vibrant. So this again is the RGB code and the hex code. It will be down in the description for you guys to see. And one more comparison right here. See, this is the scene white. You can see the blue, and then without the blue tint, there we go. You have a nice and balanced out colour scheme without any kind of blue tints, any kind of shine through. So this is a very good thing to do when you're creating your next profile. I hope this helped. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you do be sure to drop me a comment, a like, or a subscription. That would be much appreciated and help. And yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.